Oh, hi guys, my name is Rachel and welcome to Craft with Rachel. Today I'm going to be showing you all my slimes I made since a long time ago. And we have a new friend here. It is a little cabbage that I got from last video from part 1 and part 2. Okay, so we are first gonna start off with the homemade slime. Then after that, the shop slime. First, we have this clear slime that I made. It is clear slime. Next, I have the baby axolotl. We actually go here. Next, we have, this is not any name, this is just a, go on, come on cabbage, show your face. This is actually a slime that I made. Next to the shop craft, I actually got these tools from a shop DIY kit, and also the same for these ones. It's called Slimy Sugary Crush. That means you make your mold and put slime, like absolutely clear. I thought it was a normal bag, but it's actually slime. Put the clay inside, smash it, like knead it. After we are done, put color, I forgot what that. and then you just squish it, or you can just leave it there for just a decoration. And you cannot crush it anymore. Okay, next up to the shops. Wait, what am I doing? I skipped one slime. Maybe because it was well, this is supposed to go in this pile. Well, this one is absolutely glue now, and it's become brown, and I cannot open it because it has glue inside and dried up. You go in here. You go here. And this one goes on top like a piece of cake. First, we have the peachy baby slime this one is I absolutely love is Snow Bunny Frost. And the reason why I love this so much is because look at this. The scent is so nice, and it's a cloud slime, not a cloud gel slime. I actually wish I had one of the other from my birthday, and this is why I love it so much. Just look at the jiggle. Look at that. They add instant snow. Then the drizzle is super nice. Okay, you just have to stretch it out first and just see it. Look at that. This is why I absolutely love it. And the scent though, I can't stop smelling it. Yum. It makes me want to eat this. Second is Winter Axolotl. This is a Bingsu slime, and it should be absolutely crunchy. Just like this. Yeah, don't stick. Apps. I don't know where there's a crunch. Maybe I crunch it too much at the end. It doesn't have any crunch. Okay, first, let me just. This is kind of rippy. Haha! Only a little bit of crunch. It's not like a very good crunch. But the axolotl on this is quite weird. Just close it. And then last but not least, we have lavender axolotl. Now this is a snowflake, which is absolutely hard to stretch because I tried to fix it because it was just glue. But Peachy babies, if you're watching this, don't be mad at me. At least I tried to fix it. And I should have listened to your rules, not to leave the snow on. And then, can you hear this? Oh wait, this is absolutely weird. Okay, and the axolotl charm is like this. Wait, can you see it? Look at it. It's so adorable. And then just put it on. And then let's spin it. Okay, the next one I got from Elmo's glue. Cabbage, show your face. Are you camera shy? Okay, next we got from Elmo's glue. The name is Elmo's glue. It's not glue, it's glue. And it came with a bunch of Bingsu beads, which I don't like nowadays. It's actually a putty. This is actually a putty. But it makes it look like slime. It's very soft. Yeah. Until you get this. Look at that. It rips. Let's do it again. Whoa. Look at this. I get it for you guys. Okay. Look at that. And then now fold it. And then swirl it and crunch. That was loud. That's quite loud. The reason why I like to play with this because of the crunch. Hello guys, it's crystal clear. Okay, now let's put it back into the container. I forgot a method that my dad teaches me. Okay. And then the blue one is the one of this that I just showed you was actually melted. This one was hard. This one was too rippy for me, and I haven't see if this. Oh, okay. Anyways, I actually put too much clay, and sometimes I put slime to help fix it. If you're the owner of the owner of Slimy Sugary Crush, if you're watching this video, like literally watching this, I'm sorry that I fixed that I put slime and I destroyed it at the same time. Like, it needs more slime. Like, seriously? Now, don't judge me, but I'm just